Dear friends, I want to show you that how to clear your Windows 10 junk files. So let's start. First of all, Windows key, press Windows key and run and type run. And then you write temp and press the enter button on your keyboard. Now select all. Keyboard shortcut is Ctrl A and press the delete button. And again, next step is same process. Press Windows key and type run. After coming run dialog box, write percentage temp, then percentage, then press OK. Press OK, or keyboard shortcut is enter. After come files, select all and delete. Do this all current items, please skip. Next step is Windows key, press and run dialog box. After run dialog box, then you write PREFETCH. Press the enter button, then continue. Select all and delete all. Skip. Next, again Windows key, press Windows key, press Windows key, shortcut Windows key R. Or you type Windows RUN, run and enter. Type recent, select all and delete. Click the recycle bin icon, empty recycle bin. All junk file is removed now and your Windows is ready to refresh. You can refresh it many times in one times. Press Windows key R together. Press Windows key R together and write TREE and click the OK button. Your Windows is refreshed and clean. So finish the junk file. Windows 10 is ready to use. So friends, thanks for watching video. If you like my video, then press the like button and subscribe the tutorial house. Thanks for watching. Thanks all.